Welcome back. Good morning, students. Today we study composition, in which we will study today writing letter. We know that letters are important means of communication. It provides information, describe an event, make a request, etc. Letters are of two kinds: formal letters and informal letter. Formal and informal letter. Formal letter, it is for institutions or offices. Informal letters is in which we write a letter unofficial or our relative, our friend, mother, father, and all relatives, to describe event and information. And we first of all learn to how to write formal letters. We know that formal letter is for institution or offices. So first we start this letter address. In heading, writers, address, first of all we write writer's address, next date, third name, in third name and address of receiver, after date, fourth salutation, fourth subject and salutation, and number 5 subscription, and last signature of writer. In formal letter, first of all we write writer's address, date, थर्ड नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ रिसीवर, जहाँ हम भेज रहे हैं उनका नेम और एड्रेस होना चाहिए। फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड सैल्यूटेशन, किस लिए हम भेज रहे हैं, किस लिए हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं, or salutation, subscription, and at last signature of writer. For salutation, we use dear sir, ma'am, dear sir, ma'am, Mr. Bose, etc. We use these salutation words: dear sir, dear madam, Mr. Bose, Mr. Atul, etc. for salutation. And now I write for a sample formal letter and take down in your copy. Right. There is a question here. Write a letter to the principal of your school requesting for a reference letter and character certificate. प्रिंसिपल के पास आपको लिखना है लेटर जिसमें कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट, रेफरेंस लेटर की आपको ज़रूरत है. वी स्टार्ट. A4 Atul building. It is your address. I write. It is my address. Pandya Road. Chandigarh. Now it is sender address. Now we write date. We write date also in which format? In which format we also write date 20th July 20. Now the address to the principal. to the principal, Shantiniketan Jubilee School, Motihari. First subject, application for reference and we write in subject application for reference letter and character certificate, and we start salutation. Sir or ma'am, madam. It is salutation, sir और मैडम. सिर्फ एक ही लिखना है. अगर सर हैं तो सर लिखेंगे, मैडम तो मैम लिखेंगे. यहाँ से हम लिखना शुरू करेंगे. टेक डाउन इन योर कॉपी. Now we start here subscription. I am a student of civil line. I would like to draw your kind attention towards I would like to draw your kind attention towards deteriorating law and order situation in our city, in the city. योर अटेंशन समझना है कि हमारे शहर में चोरी डकैती या बहुत सारे क्राइम दिन पर दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और डेली हो रहे हैं, जिसके लिए मुझे उसकी इस कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट और रेफ्रिजरेटर की ज़रूरत आ पड़ी है। दिस डेज इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ थेफ्ट, क्राइम, टीजिंग are on the rise in and around the city. So above mentioned certificate that police demanded every day, so we need this certificate urgently. I therefore, comma after I and after therefore, I therefore request you to give me the certificate. I therefore request you to give or allow to give me the certificate. I will be ever grateful to you for this act of kindness. And at last we sign here, full signature, Ashutosh class. Yes. After signature, we also write here the class, section, roll number, and academic session also. It is formal letter that we learn to write to office or the principal or editor or any offices. That is called formal letter, and we understand the method and system of writing of this letter. And in formal letter we write our relative, example, friend, mother, uncle, sister, etc. किसी भी संबंधी के यहाँ लिखना हो वो इनफॉर्मल लेटर होता है, और वह उसमें हम शुरू करते हैं, पहले एड्रेस देते हैं, उसके बाद डेट, उसके बाद रिसीवर एड्रेस एंड सैल्यूटेशन, डियर फादर, डियर मदर, डियर अंकल, बाद उसके बाद तो फिर हम डिस्क्रिप्शन शुरू करते हैं और लास्ट में सिग्नेचर देते हैं। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।